Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how to install an older version of Minecraft. Okay, here we go. You are going to open Minecraft and wait till it opens. Then you are going to hit the installations button and on the top left of the Minecraft launcher. Then you are going to hit new installation and name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it 1.21.11 because I want that version. Then you are going to select the version you want to play. I want to play 1.21.11. Select the version, then hit the install button and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.